unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
Baking powder and baking soda are both leavening agents used in baking, but they work differently due to their composition. Baking soda is pure sodium bicarbonate and requires an acidic ingredient and moisture to activate, causing batter or dough to rise. Baking powder, on the other hand, contains sodium bicarbonate along with an acidifying agent, like cream of tartar, and a drying agent, such as starch. It can cause dough to rise on its own when moistened and again when heated. This means baking powder is essentially double-acting and can be used alone, while baking soda often needs an acid to work.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.